Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can start creating a catchy content that grabs attention. Let's get started. First of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visuals, including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos with its drag and drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts. Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So to get started, all I have to do is just sign up and you write your email address and your password, and you get started. And you will find here this page. So here we have the homepage of Canva. You can just right now search about whatever you want. For example, I will search about short videos YouTube. So here we have these examples. So you can select the one you want, or you can also choose the filter that you want. For example, here are filters. You choose the category that you want, for example, business, like that. Then we have here social media, like Instagram posts, Instagram stories. We have education. Then we have videos. So this one I will select this YouTube videos. Then we have marketing here, print products. We have cards and invitations. You know the style here, language, theme, feature, grade, subject. Then we have topic, and we have the price. Then you click over apply, and you will find these examples. I will select, for example, this one. Then I will click over customize this template, and I will find other page, which is this one. So we have also here other information about Canva. You can just read it to more understand, like our long-term commitment, means to artists. We have here features, export community, dollar company. Then also we have other things like design spotlight, business, education, plans and price, learn, and just read it to more understand. Then we have here the one that I chose. If you want to delete this one, you click over here and you delete it. Also this one. Also this one. Then right now I will just write whatever I want. Then also if you want to change the color, for example, I will select this one. And I will come back to this one. I think that's better, or this one. So what do you think, guys? Which color is better? I think I will select this one. It's better, I think. Then I will just add a text. So how I can do that? I will click over text, and I will add a text here. Then I will select the size that I want. To match, I will just select 64. So I will write here, for example, happy designing. Just an example. Then I will add the header here. For example, I will add happy, or I will add, for example, I will add happy designing, and I will delete the first one bit. because it's better to choose this one because it's for put it here. Then I will add also other things. I will come back and select the color, so like that, and then I will write other things like a subheading. I will also add a little bit of body text and also font combinations. Then we have your brand like logos, colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then if you want to upload something like images or videos, audio, you can just hit for upload files and you upload it. Then you have your draw. For example, I will add something. So this one. Alright, for example here. I'll just do that. Like that. So you can see, if you want to delete it, you click over here and you delete this one. And this is how it looks, our short videos. Happy designing, add a subheading, subscribe now, and that's it, how it looks. If you want to also zoom, and also we have other things like scroll view, quit view, and we have preview, and then you click over share once you're done with your design. Then also we have here file, resize, editing. Then we have, if you want to come back, so I will come back to the first one. So this is how it looks firstly, and also we have here other things like if you want to insights, if you want to share, and also other things here, color, border style, crop, flip, and we have transparency, animate, position. Then we have copy style also. So this is how it looks with Canva and how it works with Canva. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. And happy designing. So you can just get started with Canva by writing your email address and your password. But before you have to read this information like design spotlight, business, education, plan and pricing, and learn and how it looks with Canva, then you get started.